What's up guys, welcome back to another Airsoft Gossip gameplay video. This is a very interesting gameplay. It's a long conquest.
You're not gonna call a single one?
Interesting things happen.
Nothing, huh?
Throw it down in the comments what y'all think and hope y'all enjoy.
Really? Come on, dude.
Holy shit! Look at that. Put that on YouTube.
Come on, dude. You know better.
No, dude, I swear to God.
Dude,
that one.
Come on.
I didn't even feel it. I swear to God.
Know,
and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Yeah.
One more. Coming back. Jill, coming up. Oh, fuck it. Push that shit. Push it. Push it.
Where the fuck is
You know the guy?
Yeah, he knows me. Get it down. One top down. Trade me. Trade me. I don't see anything on the stairs, but there's one in the right side of the door. Right side of the door? Yeah. Alright? Yeah. Corner right here. Right here. This corner. This corner. This corner right there. On that corner.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Let's go. Oh, thanks.
Hey, Carl, why'd you do that window?
Going in.
Hey, someone on me, let's go upstairs.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go.
Hey, wait, Ray.
Hey. Hey, what are you?
No. You're attacking, right?
What are you?
Oh, okay, shit, cool.
Yeah, it's friendly.
Good shit.
It's friendly. You're friendly. Yeah. I was like, what? I was like, what are we doing
We
here?
need the bomb in here, dude. That's what. It's the only thing we haven't done yet. We got bomb. Oh, okay.
There you go. Yeah. This game?
We win? Is that it? We're supposed to have a bomb up here, but.
Carl's right at the other side of that bridge. Dude, this is
All right.
so light.
Oh, it's so light. You just feel the other one. I mean, it's light, but it's heavy, you know? For how big it is, it's light, bro.
Hey, Cole. Bridge right here, Carl's right there.
Ah. All right. Cross. Let me through. Let me through. see him? So the boundary is the fence. That yellow isn't the boundary anymore. He's right there. He's right there.
Hey, right side oil barrel down.
He's right here. 12 o'clock. Did you get him? Yeah, I think you got him. Watch it, watch that cross. Oh. Yeah. Gun hits count, you're dead. Yeah, gun hits count. You're 12. You see him? Left to right. Wait until he gets closer. Engage, engage. Direct 12, direct 12. Two, 12, and then last left shack. Moving from left to right. He's to the left of trail. I'm bumping up. Direct 12 to the left of trail still.
Damn, they tore this shit up even harder.
I know.
Watch this.
Yeah, be.
Behind that stump right there.
Okay. Cover this. Cover left.
He's right behind this tree.
What tree?
What I'm shooting at.
That's him. Yeah, they're already up here, so we can be up.
Airsoft!
Yeah, defeats the purpose.
Goddamn right.
Defeats the purpose of being over here. Really? Oh, I know. It's okay. He's on run cam. Shooting you. You're not gonna call it? None of them? Not a single one, huh? Yeah. Okay, dude. You're not gonna call a single one? Nothing, huh? Really? Come on, dude.
Holy shit! Look at that. Put that on YouTube.
Come on, dude. You know better.
No, dude, I swear to God.
Dude,
That one.
come on.
I didn't even feel it. I swear to
I know,
God.
but
Look.
you're
Look,
running
dude.
in. You're good,
My whole
but
hand is shaking.
you're good,
You
you're
did not
good.
catch me coming in.
Dude, when you were coming in, I was like, think. I could hear it like, right? And I was like, come on.
I didn't hear none of that, dude. I didn't even feel that one, dude.
You're good, okay.
Holy shit.
If you didn't feel it, you're good.
Dude.
You're good. Yeah, you good thumbnail here?
Yeah, dude.
You're good. All right. Okay.
That's scary, man.
You're good. Is this your mag?
Let me show you where you're at. I'll show you where you're hitting most of those shots, man. You were blowing this whole fucking tree up over here. And you were fucking like
Yeah.
right in there. And I was just doing this and you were knocking the fuck out of this stuff right here. And then I peek up and shoot, peek up and shoot. And then right before you stood up, I was like this. And then you started walking over and I stopped shooting. I'm like, what are you doing?
Yeah, because I was like,
And I'm like, what the?
so I was 100% sure I hit you at least like one time, like before, you know, like the first like 2 or 3 shots. And I was like, what the hell? I was like, I didn't know who it was. And I saw your helmet and I was like, why isn't he calling? I don't understand.
Yeah.
And then as soon as you went like this, I was like, oh, I did hit him. Okay.
You got
Yeah.
one that hit right here and this whole fucking thing exploded. I was like, oh my fucking God. Dude, yeah. Yeah, and I swear to God, I still didn't feel that. I called
Yeah,
myself
no,
out the
you're
rest of the
good,
game,
but
dude, like where was I like 10 feet short?
most of them are falling 10 feet short, and then the last, right before I got up, you were just nailing me. I was like, all right, cool. I was like, that's why I started walking over here. I was like, there's no way I didn't hit you. Like, why are you still shooting?
Yeah, like
But-
it was right, like I was peeking and just doing the burst, and I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah,
man?
the
I'm
last
10
few you were, I was like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all right.
You're good. Whew.
What the fuck?
Let me see it. Is it?
Yeah.
How bad is it? Oh yeah.
Like my whole hand is shaking, but I don't feel it like at all.
Damn. I mean, it's 0.49s at 3.3 joules, so.
Look. That happened earlier today. Like I peaked town, and dude, this kid hit me in the gun probably 7-8 times. I was like, motherfucker, dude.
Damn. Whew. Yeah, it was only mag.